Do, mi, so, re, fa, la, sol, la, ti, do. I'm gonna solve it like a boss. Hello there, and welcome back to Solfege Like a Boss. And today it's Level 12. I don't even have that many fingers. Do you?
Aye!
So, this is a very exciting level because in this level we learn our final solfege note. Do you think you can work out which note we haven't learnt yet? It's in the jingle, which you've heard quite a lot of times now. Which one haven't we learnt yet? That's right, it's T. It's T. And let's look at the hand sign for T. T. It's pointing, isn't it? T. T. Pointing upwards. I wonder what it's pointing at. We're going to find out in just a moment. So let's go over all of our notes that we know. Starting with Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. I wonder what the T is pointing at. That's right, it's pointing at Do. So after the T, there is another Do. So there are two Do's, aren't there? Do and Do, Do, Do. Can you hear how they sound the same or very similar? In music, that's what we call an octave. Do, Do. Brilliant. So let's take a look at our piece now. We can see that first line of the piece is what we've just done. It goes up the scale from Do all the way to Do, and it's using minims. Let's give it a go now. So 2 beats per note. Ready? Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Well done. Why not take a moment to practice that? Make sure you got it perfect. Now let's look at the second line. It's the same thing, isn't it? But in reverse. So it's doing exactly the opposite, going from Do down to Do, but still with minims. Let's try it. Do, Ti, La, Sol, La, Mi, Re, Do. Can you remember what I taught you about mountain climbers going up and coming down Everest? Did more die on the way up or the way down? Well done. It's on the way down. So be really careful on the way down. I think you're going to need to practice the way down more times than the way up, because it's natural to want to get to the top and to really focus and to learn the way up, but it's not natural to learn the way down. That's why so many people die coming down Everest, which is such a shame, as they did make it to the top. So don't be one of those people on the way down this scale. Let's look at our third line now. And if you look really carefully at this third line, you'll see it's the same as the first and the second line put together. But instead of minims, it's using crotchets. So it's going to go twice as fast. Let's give it a go. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Do, Ti, La, Sol, La, Mi, Re, Do. Well done! That's really tricky, isn't it? So make sure you really practice so you can get it absolutely perfect at that speed. Or a little bit slower is fine. But remember, the slower you do your crotchets, the slower you have to do your minims, because the minims have to be worth 2 crotchets. So once you've practiced, let's try the whole piece together.
Do, mi, so, re, fa, la, so, la, ti, do. I'm gonna solfege like a boss.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, la, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, ti, la, sol, la, mi, re, do. Yes! Well done! Absolutely super work. And you've now learnt every single note that we're going to do in Solfege Like a Boss. So that's absolutely terrific going, and from here on in, the pieces are just going to get harder and harder. Oh, but don't worry about that for the moment. Just practice this level, and once you've got it with perfect singing, perfect hand signs, and perfect rhythm, then send in your videos to me on Seesaw, and we'll find out whether you too can pass Solfege Like a Boss level 12. Happy practicing!
Do, mi, so, re, fa, la, so, la, ti, do. I'm gonna solfege like a